Okay, so we all know that besides the international and social significance of it, Erasmus Plus projects are a great opportunity to make friends, beautiful experiences, and nice memories. Well, if you are smart and neat, everything will be alright, but if you're careless, happy-go-lucky, and organized loser like me, some vicissitudes are likely to happen. So basically, I was in Poland for my first youth exchange. My phone wasn't working for the whole week. I had no signal, 0 bars, no GPS, nada, niente di niente. On the last day, I decided that I will stay one more day in Krakow, but little did I know, there were no places which would host me. How lucky. So my beloved Turkish friends from the project offered me a bed at their apartment. Everything is fine until I basically ended up alone at night walking in Krakow trying to find their place. After walking into some drunk person who asked me for cigarettes, which I gave them because I cared for my life, I got completely lost. At this point, I just started panicking. My sense of direction was crap and I was on the verge of crying. Well, I kept walking until I found some normal looking people, a guy and a girl, who helped me immediately when they saw how lost and miserable I looked. They called me down, they called me a taxi, went back to my Turkish friends, and they cheered me up by cooking spaghetti for me at 3 a.m. Bye!